pH levels are stabilizing in vat 4. Moving to the next check.
Batch Alpha is ready for the assembly hall. Clear the conveyor lane.
Pattern mapping is exact. Start the primary incision.
We need to expedite the assembly for the boutique order. Are we on schedule?
Stitching integrity confirmed. It's ready for distribution.
Routing shipment 4002 to the retail sector. Priority delivery active.
The journey is complete. Perfect presentation.
Another flawless cycle. Well done. The market is requesting a more matte finish for the next seasonal collection.
Adjusting the tanning duration to achieve the requested matte texture.
I see the adjustment in the system. CHAAR lure score 1. The logistics timeline is updated.
Grain density is perfect. This finish will meet the new specifications.
New batch arriving at assemble stations. Commencing the matte series now. Redirecting the first matte series to the flagship showrooms. All gates clear.
The tension is consistent. The matte finish holds the stitch beautifully.
Inventory levels are optimal for the launch. Everything is in place. From the raw vat to the global showroom, our precision defines the standard. The matte series is already seeing high engagement. We should look into expanding the color palette.
European markets are responding fastest. I'll need to reroute the next shipment accordingly.
Testing the amber saturation, we need this to hold under theatrical spotlights.
Incoming raw stock for the amber line is verified. Send it straight to processing.
Sorting gates recalibrated for the higher density hide. Flow rate is optimal. This layout reduces waste by 15%. Logistics will appreciate the efficiency.
Divert the London shipment to the Tokyo hub. Demand has shifted. Clear all lanes for priority.
The terminal is synced with the facility's live inventory. We're ready for the floor.
Innovation meets elegance. This is the new standard of the industry.
The feedback from the floor was exceptional. Precision pays off.
I am heading back to the hub to supervise the midnight cycle. See you at shift change.
Accelerate lane 3. We have a backlog for the North American distribution.
Temperature is holding at 40 degrees. The enzyme reaction is perfect.
Data received. CHAR the score 1. The next batch of amber leather is cleared for the morning assembly.
The edge consistency is remarkable. This batch will require 0 rework.
First shipment is en route. We are ahead of the global schedule. Another day, another breakthrough. Our partnership is the engine of this excellence.
Morning analytics are in. Global demand has spiked by 20%. We need to optimize the sorting gates.
Flow rate is increasing. Sorting gates are now synchronized with the high-speed lanes.
Lane 4 is reaching capacity. Divert the overflow to the telescopic conveyors immediately.
Logistics bottlenecks are clearing. We have a green light for all major retail sectors.
Quality metrics are 100%. This batch is ready for the boutique showroom.
This is the last crate for the morning launch. I will see you at the storefront.
Showroom systems are live. The global inventory is perfectly synchronized.
From the factory floor to the global stage, our precision has redefined luxury. Welcome! The new matte collection is currently on display in the central gallery.
Batch 42 is holding steady. Enzyme levels are within optimal range.
We are expanding the direct lane to the Pacific sector. Clear the gantry cranes for immediate reconfiguration. Boutique inventory is depleting fast. Trigger the secondary release for the matte collection.
Elasticity and grain retention are confirmed. The matte finish is resilient.
Our integrated workflow has reduced delivery times by 30% globally. The system is flawless.
Night shift parameters are locked. The facility is in your hands.
From the raw hide to the global stage, we have built more than a product. We have built a standard.
The feedback on the matte finish is just the beginning. I am already looking at new tanning polymers.
Reflectance is down another 5%. This will create an even deeper matte effect.
Move the polymer shipments to lane 7. We need them in the processing hall by noon.
The texture is superior. How quickly can we scale this for the global launch?
Scaling to full capacity. Tanning cycle 48 is now active.
All lanes are at 90% efficiency. Keep the gantry cranes in constant motion.
Stitching is flawless. The structural integrity exceeds all previous benchmarks.
We haven't just created a product. We've established a new global standard for the industry.
The sell-through rate on the matte series is exceeding our forecasts in every territory.
Synchronizing vats 1 through 6. Throughput is now at maximum capacity.
Clear the gantry cranes for the Midnight Express. Priority routing is now active for all boutique orders.
Adjusting the cutting pressure for the reinforced grain. Accuracy must be absolute.
The high tensile thread is holding perfectly under the new tension settings. Quality is consistent. All midnight shipments are manifest ready. Release the fleet.
From the raw hide to the global stage, we have defined the future of luxury.
Morning shift is arriving. Let us head back to the processing floor for the next batch.
I am increasing the saturation in vat 4. The next shipment will have that deeper matte finish the VIPs requested.
London and Paris lanes are green. Trigger the gantry cranes for the second wave of distribution.
The pattern mapping is perfectly aligned with the grain. Proceed with the primary cutting sequence.
The tension on the spools is perfect. This batch will withstand any stress test.
It is manifest ready. This one is heading straight to the storefront display.
From the factory floor to the global stage, we have redefined the future of luxury goods.
The data suggests we can increase throughput for the secondary colors without losing grain quality.
Understood. Let's implement this immediately.
Enzyme levels are optimal. Commencing the color fixation cycle now.
Rerouting shipment 704. Clear the gantry for the priority boutique delivery.
The high tensile thread tension is perfect. This batch is ready for packaging.
Sorting gates are at maximum efficiency. Move the mat collection to lane 5.
The presentation is flawless. We are ready for the morning opening.
From the raw hide to the global stage, our integrated standard is now the industry benchmark.
Precision in every grain. Excellence in every mile. This is the future we built.
Feedback from today was perfect. Let us prepare the facility for the midnight cycle.
Adjusting the pH balance for the carbon black series. The reaction is starting now.
Clear lane 4 for the flagship restocking. I want the gantry cranes at maximum speed.
The edge consistency is remarkable. This batch will meet the boutique standard.
Sorting gates are holding at 98% efficiency. We are ahead of schedule.
Perfect. The journey from the facility to the floor is complete.
From the raw vat to the global stage, we have set the new standard for the industry.
The overnight throughput was exceptional. We have enough stock to support a global launch by noon.
Increasing the enzyme concentration for the next series.
We need that specific matte finish depth.
Rerouting shipment batch B12. Priority clearance for the northern distribution route.
The stitch integrity is perfect. This batch is ready for global distribution.
That is the last manifest for the flagship boutique. Final release confirmed. The presentation is complete. Every detail is according to the global brand standard.
From the factory floor to the global stage, we have redefined the future of luxury.
The showroom launch was a total success. Let's head back to the facility to monitor the overnight batch.
pH levels are stabilizing. The next batch of premium matte leather is ready for the assembly phase.
Clear the gantry for the European sector. We have a priority window opening in 10 minutes.
The stitch density is flawless. This batch meets the high-end boutique specifications perfectly.
Distribution flow is at 95% capacity. Keep the gantry cranes in sync.
Every piece is in position. The global launch is ready for the morning opening.
From the factory floor to the global stage, we have set the new industry standard for luxury.
Feedback on the matte series is perfect. I am already preparing the next batch of polymers at the facility.
pH levels are stabilizing, commencing the color fixation cycle for the new series.
Rerouting shipment batch C9. Priority clearance for the retail sector in the Pacific sector.
The structural integrity is flawless. This batch meets all the global distribution requirements.
Distribution flow is at 95% capacity. All lanes are clear for the morning opening.
Every detail is aligned. The global flagship is ready for the morning premiere.
From the factory floor to the global stage, we have set the new industry standard for luxury.
Feedback from the launch is perfect. Let us head back to the facility to monitor the overnight batch.
pH levels are stabilizing. The next batch of matte leather is reaching optimal saturation.
Redirecting shipment batch D4 to the European sector. Clear the gantry for priority loading.
The stitch density is flawless. This batch meets the high-end boutique specifications perfectly.
Distribution flow is at 95% capacity. Keep the gantry cranes in sync.
Every piece is in position. The global flagship is ready for the morning opening.
From the factory floor to the global stage, we have set the new industry standard for luxury.